who ye MP na wo mfa red ya obeka sansem we who ye MP na wo nom tramado a obeka sansem we
mo akasa mo party mu ni pa
ntidi
Abusuya me no wase Emra GH report so na me ne why atrase na Wycliffe Bawumia Communicator achese Bawumia ho dance de enye easy do so popa ha na enya sorry dem enko bedidi mo den na abusuya ene ye ba bedi enkomo na Asante Achem South NPP ene MP pa opinion din Asante Boateng akwakodi enkomo de afa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho na ensam ne de ano den na o chemu dia na chese Bawumia kra de ka NPP pa dia won ka ho bi sebe we a slave ofri baby na ebesom party na sese no sebe we na dwuma ese wokọ o packing tools na opa baby etimi efa na why ensem no endie we say Bawumia is an outsider and like a slave who was brought into to serve us. He is not fit to occupy the main seat as our leader we Asante Achem South MP na otimi eka sansem no ogene say
bema mame na wasibiem na menka say me America ka bi se control your tongue but I don't baby a Bible catch you say there 7 sense be say say the man Asante Achem South you Asante Boateng Jasu bogu and be I think say lawyer. And I'm a sarcasm, maybe on ya nua vice or psychophobic contesting. Obo,
vice.
Yeah, on obabe contesting. Na statement where is rather unfortunate. Papa non semo ke kind minim ebia. And now comes and ke ebia na wafa red. I'm telling you, ebia.
Asante Boateng.
Me say ebia na wafa red.
Ebia na wafa red.
Kon ke kan ansem we.
MPO.
Na wo ye MP. Na wo mfa red ya obeka kan ansem we. Wo ye MP. Na wo nom tramado a obeka kan ansem we.
Mo akasa mo party mu ni pa.
Entidi en. Subai etise nyinsen. E wonimu. Ba no ntimi ma ni mpie. Do you know why? Asema wakana semu edu.
Papa.
Let me also tell him.
Because we a serious allegation.
Yeah, let me also tell him.
Because see, you put politics aside. Idea Bawumia betima see you no.
Bawumia anyasa. Into udi ma men koso.
Okay.
Nice man. Wow. Uno by appearance out to very nice man. But Bonnie won it him.
Why were Bonnie won it?
Bonnie won it him.
Asem no kind na Bonnie by.
Okay, me da say. Yaba yaman yimu a. Politics aye. One, obi chere creator e koma political parties and wa join political party.
Dabi.
Me da say. Menua. Two, politics. Yeah, the royals na politics ana.
Dabi.
Politics. It is a high nonsense sonoma. Obi o baby ane de epurefi.
Sure.
Obi betimi aba party oba na near lifting high. Obi so be wo for so many years. Baby obe wa na obe wo. Me nyina gina our contribution towards the party.
Sure.
Sure. Say political party wo ho. No obe peki obi from nowhere. Say Omer research officer. Ewo Bank of Ghana. And do you say party no bibia and come peke yeru Bawumia by then.
Omu bibi. Cause na dom na. I
say you that right na president kwa e peke no e de ne buy. No. Or your consultations.
Sure.
South yes you. 2 oba as researcher na afi oba be deputy governor ayi times ani enyankofo bi wo NPP mo mtisana
elect people
Asante Boateng asem o kan they are among the people that be pushing out of the party.
Sure.
They are among the people si yet to mu. And say drew the idea no mu dwane. Like Asante Boateng. Time where yeah den 2012 for Echo Court no ni ho.
No.
So a lawyer, say party bad no kwan ko ginem. These are the kind of people say party. Because penimu say there. Any question will be free wa no ba. Say free me man no ba any news. But obi say lawyer Asante Boateng.
Santi South.
Tofo man obo man tough time na nani abre. No here ni pass ni pamra me boa no. Those times. And the sabe sanya bibi sa na wafa. I don't know say we free wa numba. Bawumia a slave from where? Man person you okọ ne background honestly a royal ho. But the nyina ato nche ya. Sa wo no claim say we slave and obey no aba abesom. Wasom ne ya sen animonyam. Ye sen animonyam no grand senka no slave ye sen animonyam no ogu ne ho anim ase ya na. Wangu ne ho anim ase. Afa akonya kase na ato. A we sabe. Enya da asebra adwa. Enya Asante wura. Sante ne adwa. Enya jabi adwa. Enya we adwa. South ya say all special people bi omudi. Ghana man nyina adwa. Na obiaba abe pay for mu say as vice president ye hu bi Ghana ha sada. Na adwa kase no ato. No so aba be prayer o so ya akwa nti ye man ba. Omo na duru mu bi a omo masabi o not necessarily be ka say UP party na say NPP party no ya kanfo nko ade a. He is one of them. Penny statement they are making. Very, very unfortunate. A character of this nature, no, and Nikwasi allow Muma say a party name and animal building. No. In any case, Obia imposed Bawumia on Asana. There be yeah, because Obia qualified BR. Meanwhile, so Obi some party for 16 good years, sir. Osaba back where Katsira Misa or your ho. Usabe baba eba be katsira me se enipa no enipa ase asoso no so se sadia time ewu akofo oba be di president ni onkofo bi wa na o masom party na che no ono ana kunta je achimensa no wasom a che no shout yasi o ba ye bie ma omu nyina contest e ma obi ahu ni smooth level papa we pass the okaza as if say onim the tradition of the UP no ubeka so onim. Very, very unfortunate. And then no the cancer. I mean, him so go back. On one, you know, bones. Now, every other na my chakra. Tinamika kasan semnu. And some fata say things of this nature be free penny say numaba. Onya ordinary man. So you now Baba cancer same way in the name of a now me throw challenge a man. And me so be whom you say na boy be no. On one background. Eja so ho no ye be gu na anim ase nya nim guaza se ye gu na anim ase voice Bawumia benya no camp no wo no nya sa voice na America nya nim guaza be obi kodwucha bibi atetare no. But let me also say this, say omo bi omo nya careful because about presidential and evidence na akoto MPs no shout yasi eti enhia se be sa do ma we udi obi achi very nice man udi obi achi Unya boni bia di nachi sadi yesu edi obi achi yensa no obi akura ba ko minu ya oti akura ba ko binim ba bia obeto wa ba ko me so kura obe hu mizam MPP ba unim ba bia meto ma ba ko saudi and is how ba be ka bibi say dia masa papa no Our Asante Boateng wakasa ye ba ko kura and I me say the Asante Boateng that I know from afar no say no am fa bibia on kasa say political arena no won't make someone a slave. Back was in one free party beam no bani for some year almost 8 good years. One free party beam no buy. Now UP party no you said that one more or monko diana. Obi oba be vice president. Won him so a slave now man be vice president. Obi a who so a slave. eya hoye a otan eni bayiye ene nkofo bi di yesa na o ma wesi because me nua say nyesa eni kwa say o kasa asembwe mesi maye totofi wafo ye wo fom sei no enki kasa asembwe sei wo be kasa den na opachre but then the na meka na maka kosi ni say ono a background yewre Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ebenya voice a child de odi nachi because sabi de odi nachi emeka bibi asa ye wo ene wa ba beka eye wo na ba beka sa den and you want see to it say bogune jaso ho no voice ni nyina no obetimi age e de ama de odi nachi yes ade a yan ye beji voice no e de ama eru Bawumia ye ji wi a on kai say amen poso ha
Ewusia tension about because assembly there are not adding party wom say we opposition crowd here and get different but to be an MP na one kasa obi obe serve Ghana as vice president na when you use words be we use nyina you use a word say slave and was anya fit to lead Charlie are not adding and when to say why kasa na say why won say
nti ono anga say we fit to lead we fit to lead Asante Achim south che ofri jasu to bogu kwai no we say the city me fast we need 2 weeks na me frame me recruit na eba Achim oda me fa wa be si say kuro bi a new month for year mansi na me wura wa be wura bogu we fit to lead bogu akwai we fit to lead. So that I say, and some factors are saying we free anyway. Etina, Jack.
Young posse. Why is it young posse? Some of the can I know the to say, said and some baby one or posse personal. Can be channel, a mammy, a foot two. Because we a party member, and now no contest na sabe a demo ni a conquetua. Mo kasa mo den kranye konketo ansa kwa mo sa dia kwa national enti no kabibi che se be ya unity bit abam
me ya on say Asante Boateng there me ne o share program ya se ne kabibi tre say within
sure
mpanimfo ni nya bibi na ye nsuan me ma men kan ha ade abro nye oye na approach ya na mempe na approach e fast no dey go ho na mempe the way I present the fashion but also the no
they say abronye as abronye the who feel no
oh yeah
but how
because on my fast na no ko am ko hutu no nine is not true and can we do the man fast enti obi a member of parliament there we don't expect you oh say MPC be declare am Bawumia ebi si ko Brian ebi ko Ken ebi ko mo am kan oboni bi ani ho but be describe obi a vice president as slave. Usu ebi ebe Asante Achim ho na wo bi aso ni bogu ho na wo kan so ebi ebe so na ususu ye slave okura na oba be di MP ho it could be
yeah it's possible
because on who say your Mampong ha not na betimi adi MP ha sana sad na betimi adi MP ha akura bi ana o free ha enti kro bi aso omo di MP so greater Accra bebre they are not from Accra
sure
until a lawyer until the politics of our time na say say your mama say utra baby for some number of years you qualify to do this and this and you because I say when I'm because any Asante Achim south one kra wo no I'm told say free ho you were adapted and so on enya fe
sure
enya fe and you be sre no sabi baby a native ya dru any nimdia ye movie from afar didn't say no enya sa no show no na very bad of him on jai sade because jasu bogu no anim the force of free ho
sure
omo ba mu akona me carrots e for so onyani baketwa yewra Ken lawyer Ken Atefamo and the lies Saudi ase wo yesa ogu omo ani mas yesa ogu omo ani mas tie papa na yesre no we are not saying say baby or is wrong no they are not doing chre no okura baako mi kura baako ukura baako obi akura baako baby or no onye in such a way so obenya voice amadi odi nachi not like who personal attack. Because of course we attack, some of us will be also compelled to attack him. Verbal attack. So they say, because yeah, tell my mama say yes, so you know. Yeah, my mama say no. And see, Mira, on this note, in the so the American say on the same free no maybe. Me that say.
Abusia, yam fa unsi a na bomo de say obe follow page no. YouTube, Facebook, bibia GH report, TikTok, GH report. Open say o follow me Facebook personal profile so I know so journalist Kobe on sabe kame e hodom. Na open say oba show no so a number na go screen as na obetimi afa na one ye di nkomo. Ye bia ye pono e ama obi bia de ye nya bias ye ni NDC ni NPP. Ye hwese obi bia betimi aka na asem na ye nyina etimi aboama o my Ghana enkankro no etimi aba. Medamase.
Yeah, Kobe, no matter say, in fact, you are doing a wonderful job. Now keep on, because put you Mampong on the map. Yeah, dear, me a typical local guy. Me free, I'm papa free. Me school, I'm a call na. So I'm forging masters in Guam Tech, from kindergarten to university. Nina me economic room here, ma'am fa baby through training so I say to university masters na me pese me divert kakran ko e ndi bibia I bet Mampong anim bia we are all for it.
Sure.
And then I know kind am so having okra check me obi a me nkyere no ma be social media but me who are a positive via me send into we must share we normal and we'll keep on sharing it for the betterment of Asante Mampong. Asante man,
sure.
Ghana.
Sure. Medasi. That's